How to connect your Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite. 1. Connect one end of the USB cable into your Fire TV Stick Lite and the other end into the power adapter. Plug your Fire TV Stick Lite into the HDMI port on your TV, then plug the power adapter into a nearby outlet. Turn on your TV, then select the appropriate HDMI output. And if you are having a problem with an extension or Wi-Fi, you can use the HDMI extender to improve Wi-Fi and remote performance. Or if you have trouble fitting your Fire TV Stick Lite into an HDMI port on your TV. We're gonna start first with this. So I have everything plugged. Now we're gonna proceed to the next stage. So the next stage is to power up your Alexa Voice Remote Lite. Okay, so we have 2 stages already completed. We're going to the last stage, which is to complete the on-screen setup. So this is the last stage. I'm going to power up my television. So you can see it automatically detects the Fire TV. What we have to do right now is just follow the instructions. You can see. So before we continue, let's try and identify the stuff here. We have the microphone right on top here. We have the Alexa voice button right here, and we have the navigation here, and right here in the middle, that's to select. So we have the back button, we have the home button, and we have the menu button. So you can fast forward or rewind here. This is the play pause button, and here we have the guide. That's just for you guys to know what each buttons are. So we just follow the instructions on the TV right now. Press play pause. Okay, choose your language. I'm going to choose English. Then to select the center. So after you've written your password, you just press connect. Connection successful. Downloading the latest software. Now, if you're new to Amazon, you just have to go and then you create your Amazon account. Okay, so step 1, sign into your Amazon account with this /code and enter activation code when prompted. Okay. Choose your streaming devices. Let's see. You Discovery, Disney, Hulu. For sports, this. And which feature devices do you want? So which popular devices do you want? You can choose either one of this: CBS TV, Discovery, Discovery, Tubi, Disney, Hulu, and or which TV services do you want? You have to log in through cable, AMC, HD TV, Lifetime, History, MTV, and TBS. Or for sports, you have ESPN for now, WW, Baseball, League and Sport, Fox Sports, NBA. And there are some featured devices in this case. In my case, I have, it could be Comedy Central and it could be Food and Kitchen. So to choose the apps, I have to press select to choose the app. Maybe, let me see if I can do twice. Oh, I can choose two. So we have this. Finish, app will be, got it. So this is our Amazon Originals. Okay, so I can just choose here what we want, what I want. Netflix, YouTube. Let's see how YouTube's gonna work. So I'm gonna have to download YouTube. You can search, whatever you want, library, free. So let's go to free for now. That's IMD TV, featured apps. I want, Pluto, let's try Pluto TV. I have to download Pluto TV. One of the places you can go is right here in settings to see your information notifications. You can set up your account and profile settings. Right down here below you can see that Food and Kitchen is already downloaded. Display applications, you can equipment control, you can do everything here. So let's see applications. Let's see what I have in applications. So we have allow apps to update automatically in Game Circle and manage installed applications. I only have maybe 4 or 5 applications, not much applications, but I have 4.5 gigs available of the space of total 8 gigs. Okay, so let's go back. Let's see what I have there in notifications. Oh, that is ready. Let's go. Finally, I hope you guys could learn something from this video. I hope that you could at least see how it works, or most of you might have a lot of doubts as far how it works, how to get your apps. Hope you have enough information on how to do that. And well, if this video has been helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And ciao ciao.